Наш прапор
Our flag is our strength, the source of will and the unbreakable spirit for all the warriors that go to battle, carrying this flag on their armor and under their hearts. They fight for every meter of our land. They advance. They will reach victory. Our flag is our memory. It is respect towards all of our heroes of different times that protected our land and gave their lives for Ukraine. We will always remember them. The time will come when this flag will proudly hang over our entire free and peaceful country. Meanwhile, in the northeastern Ukrainian town of Romny, rescuers are continuing their efforts to clear the rubble of a damaged school. The regional military administration said a drone fired by Russia had hit the school at 10:05 a.m. local time. Ukraine's Interior Minister Ihor Klimenko said the bodies of the school principal, vice principal, secretary, and a librarian had been pulled from the rubble by rescue workers. He said 4 local residents were injured as they had been passing the school in Romny, which is part of the Sumy region. Ukrainians continue to show their bravery and determination, fighting for the nation's independence every single day. Ukraine's commander-in-chief, Valery Zaluzhny, released drone images showing a Ukrainian flag raised in an embattled southeastern village, honoring the country's National Flag Day.